Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your projector without the remote. So if your projector, if your Xiaomi Smart L1 doesn't, the remote for it doesn't work, you can of course get a new remote, but it's not what the video is about. If you want to actually use it without the remote, you can use your mobile phone. Just get that Google Home app, and in Google Home app you need to be on the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. Then you'll be able to find devices in the app. I don't know if you can see it well. Maybe I'll turn the brightness up a little bit so you can see it, or maybe this way. Yeah. Now you'll find devices right here, this second position. I'll try to get in focus as well. Yeah, but you can see in my local devices there is the TV. I mean the smart projector. Okay, now I'm in focus and I can click on remote. And I'll need to first enter the code displayed on the TV, on the projector, sorry. Then I will be paired and I will be able to use it. Okay, now I'm able to do everything here. I have the buttons and everything else. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.